Which version of TIA Portal was used to program your PLC? This video aims to quickly give you 3 different ways to solve a commonly asked question when dealing with a large install base of S7 PLCs. To find the TIA Portal version of a PLC program, follow these steps. Open TIA Portal without any project open. In the left pane, expand the online access area. Select the active adapter. Click Update Accessible Devices. Expand the target PLC in question. Find the Online and Diagnostics object. Double-click to launch. When the object is opened and online, go to the Diagnostics and General section. In the section labeled Module, find the area that says Version of the TIA Portal project. In this case, the TIA Portal version is V17. The firmware version indicates that it was updated with a revision level of V17 Update 2. However, any TIA Portal version less than or equal to V17 Update 2 will suffice. The next section is simply showing an example of a different version, demonstrating that it can show you here this PLC was programmed using TIA Portal V16. This next is often quite hard to demonstrate without actually having an S7 1500 PLC, but using this fantastic simulator, the 1500 front panel can also reveal the TIA Portal version it was targeted with. Using the arrow keys and the OK button, drive to the Overview PLC, and from there the TIA Portal version is visible. As long as the web server has been activated and the access rights and privileges are available, a user can also access this same information from the PLC's web server. The TIA Portal version is visible right on the start page. Since I've made it here, it's a great time to highlight one of my favorite web server pages. It's located under the Diagnostics section, and then the Runtime Information tab. The Runtime Information tab in TIA Portal provides current information on the program load, communication load, and cycle time of a PLC. This information can be used to identify potential runtime problems during the execution of the user program. Feel free to continue and explore all the awesome features available in the S7 family of PLCs. Hope this was informative and got you going quickly on finding which version of TIA Portal was used on your PLC.